made it much more special by gathering here. Though I have been sitting in my cabin, I am able to hear the noise which you are making, the dances, the songs, everything. So I was also enjoying sitting there, though I was completing my work. It's a wonderful day, children, and I wish you all much more days like this to be celebrated at FIITJEEE World School Narayanaguda. So for the 6th class child, 4 more children's days to be celebrated at Narayanaguda FWS. For the 7th child, how many?
3.
For the 8th child,
2.
for the 9th child,
1.
for the 10th child.
0.
So for the 10th children especially, you must have been enjoying